In today's digital age, online advertising has become a crucial component of a successful marketing strategy for businesses of all sizes. With billions of people using the internet every day, it presents a massive opportunity to reach a broad audience and drive sales. However, creating effective online ads that generate revenue is easier said than done. We'll explore proven methods for making money with online advertising. We'll discuss the different types of online advertising, strategies for creating effective ads, how to measure ad performance and provide real-life success stories. Types of online advertising. There are several types of online advertising that businesses can use to reach their target audience. The three most popular types are search engine ads, social media ads, and display ads. Search engine ads appear at the top of search engine results pages, SERPs, when someone searches for specific keywords. Social media ads, on the other hand, appear in the news feeds of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Finally, display ads are visual advertisements that appear on websites, mobile apps, and other digital media. Strategies for creating effective ads. Creating effective online ads requires a combination of creativity, data analysis, and strategic planning. The first step is to define your target audience and create ads that speak to their needs, interests, and pain points. This involves using compelling copy and visuals that capture their attention and entice them to click through to your website. It's also essential to optimize ad placement by choosing the right platforms and bidding strategies that align with your budget and marketing goals. Measuring ad performance. Measuring ad performance is critical for optimizing your ad campaigns and maximizing ROI. The most common metrics used to measure ad performance include click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, cost per click, CPC, and return on ad spend, ROAS. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify which ads are performing well and make data-driven decisions to improve underperforming ads. It's also essential to use analytics tools such as Google Analytics to track website traffic and user behavior, which can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Real-life success stories. Many businesses have successfully leveraged online advertising to increase their revenue. For example, DTC company Native used Facebook ads to generate $5 million in revenue within 6 months of launching their product. They achieved this by targeting their ads to people who had shown an interest in natural and eco-friendly products. Another success story is online retailer ASOS, which used Instagram and Facebook ads to increase its sales by 53% in 2020. They achieved this by using high-quality visuals and targeting their ads to people based on their shopping behavior and interests. Resources and tools. There are many resources and tools available to help businesses with online advertising. Ad management software such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager can help you create and manage your ad campaigns. Analytics tools such as Google Analytics and Hotjar can help you track website traffic and user behavior. Expert blogs such as Moz, Search Engine Journal, and Social Media Examiner can provide valuable insights and strategies for optimizing your ad campaigns. In conclusion, online advertising presents a massive opportunity for businesses to reach a broad audience and drive sales. By using the right strategies, businesses can create effective ads that generate revenue and increase their ROI. Understanding the different types of online advertising, creating effective ads, measuring ad performance, and learning from real-life success stories are all key components of a successful online advertising strategy. By leveraging the right resources and tools, businesses can optimize their ad campaigns and achieve their marketing goals.